In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest on MetaTrader 5. Backtesting is a powerful way to evaluate your trading ideas using historical data before risking any real money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to open the strategy tester in MetaTrader 5 and how to start following the on-screen prompts to run a basic backtest. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're logged into your trading account, whether it's a demo or live account. The process is the same for both, but it's usually safer to experiment and learn using a demo account. To access the strategy tester, look at the top menu of MetaTrader 5. Click on View. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Strategy Tester. This will open the Strategy Tester panel at the bottom of the platform. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and R on your keyboard at the same time. This does exactly the same thing and is often faster once you're used to it. When the strategy tester panel appears at the bottom, you'll see several options and fields. This is where you set up how you want your backtest to run. The layout can vary slightly depending on your platform theme or your broker, but the basic structure is the same. From this point on, simply follow the prompts that appear on the screen. Typically, you'll be asked to select the expert advisor or indicator you want to test, choose the symbol or currency pair, pick the time frame, and define the testing period using historical dates. The platform may also give you options for the testing model, such as using every tick or only open prices, and let you adjust parameters specific to your trading system. As you go through each field, take a moment to read any labels or tooltips carefully. MetaTrader 5 is designed to guide you step by step, so pay attention to any messages or warnings that appear. If you're unsure about a setting, it's usually safe to leave it at the default value while you learn. Once you've filled in the required information and confirmed the settings using the buttons provided in the strategy tester panel, MetaTrader 5 will run the backtest and display the results for you, based on the historical data available. That's all you need to get started. Open the strategy tester with View then Strategy Tester, or by pressing Ctrl plus R, and then follow the on-screen prompts to complete your backtest setup